In 1995, Northwest Marine Technology began development of a system that would automatically coated wire tag and adipose fin clip juvenile salmonids. This was due to the desire to implement mass marking, adipose fin clip, hatchery Pacific salmon to determine hatchery wild interactions and utilize abundant hatchery fish through selective fisheries. To take full advantage of the benefits of mass marking and coated wire tagging, managers must process over 200 million fish annually within a few months period each year. Processing this many fish in the traditional manner, by hand, in such a short time frame would be physically impractical. Northwest Marine Technology's solution was the development of a completely new approach to handling fish. The Auto Fish System is based on NMT's patented volitional entry device, which utilizes the fish's natural behavior to orient into water current. The fish leave the volitional entry device single file. Once the fish is single file, AutoFish can control the fish's movement. The AutoFish system has the ability to grade fish with an accuracy of plus or minus 1 millimeter total length, deliver graded fish to the marking and tagging lines, fin mark and or coated wire tag 5,057 to 142 millimeters salmonids per hour, without anesthesia or human handling, return fish to ponds with a mortality of less than 0.1%, accomplished with an operator and one temporary assistant, and with higher accuracy and less cost than possible to mark and tag by hand. The system is completely self-contained in a 32-foot trailer, which utilizes one sorter and 5 processing lines. The system has the ability for 100% disinfection. All functions are controlled by a central computer, interfaced by user-friendly touchscreens, permitting the operator to direct the task of any of the lines to tag and or fin clip. The sturdy equipment is designed to withstand the rigors of travel, water, exposure to disinfectant, and intense use. An accurate fish sorting device was needed to support the AutoFish system. Unfortunately, no sorting device in the marketplace provided the accuracy needed for plus or minus 1 millimeter total length. A sorter was developed and manufactured by Northwest Marine Technology as a component of the AutoFish system. The sorter has the ability to separate fish into 7 size categories, selected by the user, measure total length of fish with an accuracy of plus or minus 1 millimeter, a throughput of 2 fish per second, and provide length frequency data to hatchery personnel. Fish are delivered from the hatchery pond to a temporary holding tank inside the system. The fish are then transferred into the volitional entry device on the sorter and exit the tray single file past the imaging system. The sorter's imaging system is based on custom software and state-of-the-art machine vision technology. It measures the total length of each fish as they pass through at an accuracy of plus or minus 1 millimeter and at a rate of approximately 2 fish per second. The innovative software corrects for curvature if the fish is not straight as it passes through the imaging system. The sorter diverter system is controlled by the imaging software. It directs different sizes of fish to any of the 7 ports selected by the user. The user-friendly touchscreen is where the operator interfaces with the sorter computer to select the size of fish to sort and which port the fish will exit. On the touchscreen, the user can review images of previously measured fish, a length frequency histogram, and the number of fish sorted by exit ports. Fish of appropriate size are then directed to specific processing units. Fish volitionally enter a channel wherein gates control the rate of entry for fin clipping and tagging. Fish enter a coated wire tagging head mold, which activates a clamping mechanism. Fish can then be adipose fin clipped and or simultaneously snout tagged. Here's a more detailed look at the mechanics involved in marking and or tagging fish. Gates regulate the movement of fish through the lines. A clamping mechanism gently immobilizes the fish for marking and tagging without anesthetic. The fin clipper is controlled by the imaging system and targets the adipose fin. Size-specific head molds guarantee accurate coated wire tag placement. After fin clipping and/or tagging, fish are released into the quality control system. A computer-operated imaging system locates and directs a mechanism for fin clipping and serves as the quality control for fin excision. Fish are then directed through a coated wire tag quality control device, which verifies and separates tagged and untagged fish. Successfully tagged and marked fish are then transferred via water back to the hatchery ponds. Untagged or unmarked fish are separated for later processing. The auto fish system has revolutionized the way salmonids are handled at hatcheries or fish farms. The coated wire tagging operation, including tag placement, is excellent, making it possible to now tag fish more efficiently and less expensively. Adipose fin clipping is very accurate, and the innovative mechanical design provides consistently cleaner and better marks than with hand clipping operations. The system has proven to be both a superior method and a cost-effective means to coated wire tag and adipose fin clip salmonids, with over 50 million juvenile salmon processed by the auto fish system in the last 4 years. Chinook, coho, rainbow trout, steelhead, and Atlantic salmon have all been successfully tagged and fin marked utilizing the technology. The operating costs to coated wire tag using this automated technology compared to manual coated wire tagging is reduced by approximately 45%. Northwest Marine Technology has delivered 12 systems to fisheries agencies in Northwest America, with an additional 10 sales pending. Northwest Marine Technology is committed to continuing research and development and customer support of this new approach to handling fish. The auto fish system can also be modified to perform the important function of vaccinating individual fish without slowing the tagging process. In the autumn of 2001, Northwest Marine Technology was awarded a 3-year grant by the National Institute of Standards and Technology to incorporate individual inoculation into the system. The goals of the new vaccinating and tagging system are: grade fish with an accuracy of plus or minus 1 millimeter total length, deliver graded fish to the tagging and vaccinating lines, coated wire tag and or vaccinate 6,200 98 to 210 millimeter salmonids or other aquaculture species per hour, without anesthesia or human handling, zero tolerance of human injury from vaccination needle, return sorted fish to ponds with a mortality of much less than 0.1%, precise implant of vaccine at 99% or greater reliability, accomplished with an operator and 1 temporary assistant at less cost than possible to sort, tag, and vaccinate by hand. Northwest Marine Technology is on schedule to produce a prototype vaccination machine by the fall of 2004.